Nova, your AI bestie.
Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create AI influencer for free. So you can use some AI tools like ChatGPT to ask for a prompt. For example, if you're looking for a profile or a specific picture of or image of that AI influencer that you're about to use for your video or project, then you can ask ChatGPT for this. You can follow my prompt if you want, and once you have your profile, then you can ask ChatGPT to create an image out of this profile. Now you can copy this image and then paste this to Leonardo AI. Now here in Leonardo AI, you can select a preset if you want your influencer to be like anime look or hyper realistic image, and then you can select that in the preset section. Also, you can change dimension if you want. If you want to post this in YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, you can change the dimension and size here. Now generate, wait for a couple of seconds, and a reminder, you only have 150 coins for free per day. Now let's just say I want to use this influencer right here. I can use vid knows, but actually this AI tool has limit for the time, so you can only use, I think, about 15 seconds to 60. It depends. So if you want to upgrade your plan, just upgrade your plan. So here in Vidnos, you need to create the avatar first. Once you have created the avatar, then you need to go back to their homepage and then look for the AI tools. Specifically, look for photo AI. So it's like a talking avatar here. So you need to go to photo avatar and then upload the avatar that you have created using this vidnos. You can select that avatar right here. And then below, you need to paste or enter their script. Okay, you can clone your voice if you want. And then select the language and also the character profile. Then once done, all you have to do is generate a video. So since I'm just using the basic version, then I only have limited features that I can use here. Okay, so once you're done or once you have upgraded your plan, then you can use the longer version for this video and add more text to speech here. As you can see, it is now loading and here is the result.
Your AI bestie. Hey there, humans and digital dreamers.
And this is how you create AI influencer. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.